this topic for your very helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and let's start the video. Making the world a kinder place. God has given humans many blessings in health, body and mind, and has given these blessings for humans to take advantage of in order to make the world a better place. The phenomenon surrounding us enriches our mind with information and influence our thinking about what is going on around us. The world is considered to be a beautiful place put together by humans, its population. Racial discrimination is the unfairness in treatment based on the group, class, or category to which the person is perceived to belong. Discrimination based on skin color, most likely to be dark-skinned people, while privileging those with lighter skin. Those darker-skinned people tend to receive smaller incomes, lower marriage rates, longer prisons terms, and fewer jobs. Another major drawback that our world is facing these days is labor trafficking. Labor trafficking is a form of human trafficking in which individuals perform labor or services through force, fraud, or coercion. Traffickers often use set up their victims by using high paid fraudulent job offer. This can happen by staffing agencies, word of mouth advertisements, and forms of coercion to force people to work against their will in many industries. Common kinds of labor trafficking include people forced to work in homes as servants as well as farm workers forced to harvest crops through violence, or manufacturing employees working in brutal conditions with very little quantity of cash. In conclusion, even if the world looks beautiful, there are many aspects which need to be changed in order to make the world a better and safer place. Inequality continues tearing the world apart, causing high death rates and unfairness, making people work against their will with the use of violence and threats. At lastly, humans rapidly causing the world to fall apart with the choices they make to live a better life. The world came along decades ago and humans achieved what is unachievable. There are many positive aspects humans are trying to do to make this world a better place, but need to try harder. Those good aspects might affect the world in a better way. And this topic for your very helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel for your helpful videos, latest updates.